Hop in, let's go for a ride.
Do I even know how to ride bikes? What up?
You were 17 with 4 points on your license.
There's no other way to put it. I have an addiction.
Pee, why do I always gotta pee?
I'm 1.5 bangs in.
Look her in the eye, I got contact.
Inner Cam is like, do it!
No, I ride a bike really fast, but I don't do this. You know this road because I don't.
Hey guys, what's good? Yeah, we're back. We're back. I know you guys wanted some street footage. I've been stuck behind this truck for like literally 2 minutes straight. Star's over here making... Oh. I thought it was a piggy behind me. Woo! I'm 1.5 bangs in right now, so the leg is shaking, as you can see. Wow, Cam's riding safe. Yeah, I'm riding safe. I know, it's weird. You guys have been wondering, where the heck have the street videos been, right? I went to the track and I fell in love with the track. Mwah! Mwah! I love it. It's like literally paradise. Where was I at? Oh, yeah, track. Oh my gosh. Woo! Paradise. It's my paradise. I've realized a lot. A lot has been changing. My brain's been changing. My skills have been changing. My danger meter has been, whatever the hell that would be, whenever your sixth senses, that has been going off. What do I call them? Pterodactyls. We'll call it pterodactyls. These said pterodactyls have been swooping down, trying to scare me. These pterodactyls think I am their prey. I don't know where I'm trying to go with this. Dude, they've been up my cheeks. I'm not talking about the ones on my face. They've been up my cheeks trying to blame me for stuff that's not me. They've been literally acting as if I am the only person with a motorcycle in the entire freaking county. Like, leave me alone. I haven't even been riding street. I feel less safe on the street now, so I ride a lot more careful. For the literally 2 times I've rode in the past 2 months, I literally haven't been riding this bike. I lost a passion to ride street. At this point, I love to ride street, of course, but I was doing it in an unhealthy way. I realized that, so that's why I was like, you know what? I don't even need to ride. I'm okay. I'll wait until next weekend to go to the track and rip it up at the track. You know, like everything, like my body was like, we going touch the throttle there, so we're fine. 2 things will be different. I want to do different. I'm going to execute differently. I hope you guys are okay with it. If you're not okay with it, go to someone else's channel. That's fine. But listen, I bring the hype. You guys know that. Since my crash, I've been extremely stressed trying to get my bike back together. It didn't take an emotional toll on me. The crash didn't really hurt me. I wasn't really worried about that per se. It was more so building it. And the building part was fun. I ordered all the parts. I was like, F my wallet. I got my bike back together and looked correct. I tried to fire it up once all the parts were in. Nothing. After like 5 mechanics looking at my bike, I took it to Boss Racing. Thank you, Jeff. I love you, Jeff. Jeff took it literally hours away. Boss Racing was the only person willing to take my bike in to try to get me up and running so I can race in a week and a half. We don't know if I will be. It depends. He's stumped on it when he first looked at it, but it's the idea that he's putting through the effort. That's what I love about him. Guys, if you guys need tuning, if you have an R6, really any 600, take your bike to Boss Racing. But if you do have an R6, he is known to be the best with R6s, and then we'll take care of you. Dude, oh my gosh, I've had so much to talk about. Woo! I haven't went out and rode, so I haven't been able to talk to you guys in this manner. And now I'm here and I'm like, guys, I have so much to talk about. I don't know what to do. And I'm bouncing around from like 15 different topics. You guys know I love to wheelie. Dang, it's windy. I've had a passion for wheeling for that long. Ooh, there's a bunch of bikes. I'm basically on a hunt to find a place to get my addiction out for wheelies. That's really all it is. I don't have the need really to ride fast on streets anymore. There's too many factors that run through my head. Now that I've gone to the track, which I encourage every single one of you guys that ride 2 wheels, 3 wheels, I wouldn't say take a quad on the track, but whatever you ride, take it to the track. I don't care if you have a Harley. Hey, dude, I almost forgot to give him the wave. What am I doing? I feel like a noob. I'm a freaking scrub. I almost, dude, I'm usually like the first person. Like there's a dude all the way up there and I'm like already waving at him. Can't believe I almost forgot that. Do I even know how to ride bikes? Am I even a real rider anymore? I feel like a Harley rider. I was gonna just pass him and keep on talking. That's so rude of me. What the freak was I talking about? Ooh, wheelies. to preserve my life so I don't end up dead and these pterodactyls have to eat me off the ground. I need to find a lot. I need to find somewhere where I can get my wheelies out. You know, a lot way bigger than that. I'm not that good. So I'm gonna start exploring over the next couple vlogs as the tracks kind of close down and everything's come to a wind with the track. I will be transferring kind of back to street, and we will also be doing a little bit more vlog content. You guys don't know, but both of my best friends, Tuesday and LoveJsan, they are, which way am I going? Okay, we'll go this way. Wait. Yeah, we'll go this way. We do some dumb stuff, and a lot of the time we're doing it in the house. It's gonna get crazy. Basically, why do I forget everything? Hello. You heard me screaming. It's fun being able to bounce around from topic to topic. It honestly is fun. But you know what sucks more than that? Forgetting what you were talking about. I think I should have a discussion with my mom and ask her if she dropped me on my head as a kid. I worry about myself sometimes. All my friends know I'm really smart, but I'm also the dumbest person you will meet. Dude, I have the most blonde moments ever. Like, I am an idiot sometimes. Like, I just don't, like, my brain just be like somewhere else. People are talking to me, I'm like, wait, what? I'm happy to be back, guys. Motovlogging is what I built TheKilaCam off of, guys. I realized you guys miss me just sitting here riding and talking to you guys, and I miss doing it. I haven't felt myself. Just basically, I've been struggling. The bike was down. That's my heart, you know. Blue is literally everything. I love that bike so much because I've been through so much with Blue. Blue has saved my life like over 10 times in a year. So serious, like really serious. To find private property where these pterodactyls, I love that analogy. Can you speak English, Cam? Can you? Did you go to first grade? What's 1 + 1? 25! I don't care what people think. When I'm on a bike, I really don't care. It's the best feeling ever. You're making a fool out of yourself, but you're like, you're not riding a motorcycle. I am, so, you know, who's really winning? The good thing is, ever since I went to track, guys, I've been so much more calm on the street. I rode a couple days ago, and I did one wheelie. Two wheelies. I mean, you can go to any video before. Dude, I was wheeling every time. Every stoplight, I would take off. If there's not a car in front of me, I'm doing a wheelie. Someone looked at me and smiled, I'm doing a wheelie for you. You made me happy just by smiling. Because, I don't know, maybe you like bikes or something. I'm like, oh, well, I'm gonna do a wheelie for you because now you made my day. I'm gonna make your day. But pterodactyls don't like that, so. And I've rushed out the house. I legit feel like a noob. I left the house today. I forgot what I needed to bring. So listen, I left the house knowing I was going to vlog. Guess what I forgot? Like, guess what I forgot? What do you need to vlog? A camera. I forgot my freaking GoPro and the mic adapter. Literally, I left the house and I'm sitting there and I'm like, all right, let's turn this thing. Where the? I'm like, slammed on my brakes, spun it around, and went and got it. So, here we are. So, we're going to my boy's house. He has acquired a GTR. Oh, I love this road, and I love to do wheelies up it. I have an addiction. Like, there's no other way to put it. I have an addiction. There's a burning urge in me right now to do a wheelie. There's something in my gut right now that's like, don't shift, don't shift, don't shift. Inner Cam is like, do it! I'm gonna hold it in. We got this, guys. I'm crying on the inside. Okay, all right. I would always put my wheelies down by here, so now we're good. I wouldn't wheel. I used to not wheel here, so there's no urge. I'm completely fine. You ever hear a girl say that? Usually they're not okay. That's me saying that about wheelies. Oh, now I'm thinking about wheelies. Dude, I love this bike. I know I was gonna sell it, and I was gonna sell it because I wasn't riding street, and then I thought to myself, I think I got this self-control thing. I think I made a lot of progress when I went to the track. Dangerous out here, so I'm not gonna be riding as much as I used to. I don't want to put myself at harm's risk for some car to smack me. I get sketched out when I'm around cars. When I bought this bike, there was like a whole nother world of falling in love with. Does that make sense? You fall in love with burps? Oh shoot! Oh wait, I want that song. I didn't mean to do that. Usually I'm really good with keeping both wheels on the ground when I take off. Oh yeah, look at those high waters, boys. Will you ever turn green? Green eggs and ham, Toucan Sam. I want to blast off. And I also love this bike because this bike helped me understand how to go slower. I'm not so like, dude, you ride a 600 on the street and you go by the speed limit, you have talent, sir. There's no way in heck you're gonna see me on a 600 on the street going on this speed. Like, it's not possible. I get starstruck by Star. Pop, 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 pop. Woo! Hello. Hello. What do people think when I wave extremely aggressive at them? See that lot right there? Oh, that lot right there looks really enticing. It's a little dirty in here.
Look her in the eye, I got contact high. Boy, my tears are money, now my contacts dry.
I forgot what balance point felt like. You know how to wheelie cam? But it feels good to hit that back brake again.
Me, I know you hate
Smooth and fast.
We get jiggy
Better.
like Nirvana.
Stop, what?
Gas
What?
too strong,
You guys
coffee
see
off the
that?
mirror.
What am I doing? Cam, get it together. Why are you doing this?
Look her in the eye, I got contact high. Boy, my tears are
What up?
money, now my contacts dry. Rockstar lifestyle might not make it.
Okay, maybe I do know how to.
They all love me, I know you hate it. We get jiggy like Nirvana. Gas too
Okay,
strong,
I do know how to wheelie, guys. Oh my gosh.
Me material girl, yeah, she's singing like Madonna. Life's a bitch, then I fell in love with karma. Death before dishonor, hold my blade up high. Chopping shit up like a samurai.
SRT looks so good. Look at that smile, man! Oh, this is so I got enough wheelies for you guys. I'm out. Those cops are probably coming because somebody probably called the cops. You just can't do a wheelie in a parking lot that no one's in, and there's no safety precautions. But at least I made that old guy smile. He like went that way, even turned around to come back this way, and he's just staring at me, smiling, shaking his head. Yes. Oh shoot, I don't know where I'm at. I thought I knew this way. I don't. I'm just gonna go left. I don't know where I'm going. Oh, dude, I'm really. Oh wait, I know where I'm at. It's a jump. I'm gonna hit it. Oh my gosh. What's up with that joint? The monster over there. Yeah, the truck. The mongoose. About to scrape it real quick. This joint has really good bearings. Talking about speed. You want to see speed? Oh! Yes! Oh! Oh!
The car's filthy.
Yeah, why didn't you couldn't clean it?
Hop in, let's go for a ride.
Pee, why do I always gotta pee?
We grew up fancy.
Never been in a GTR, dude, but I love these things.
It's got paddles?
Yeah.
Bless.
How much horsepower does this thing come with?
They say 485. This is literally where I lost my license like 4 times.
Right here?
I got 4 points going back now. I was 17.
You were 17 with 4 points on your license. You just got your license. This feels like a Maxima when I look up.
Is this guy going straight? I'm gonna kill myself, bro. Come on.
He's turning! Let's go!
Jump off this bridge and try to hit it now.
How about a no in a GTR?
No.
Nah, I'm jump it.
Look her in the eye,
Oh my god!
boy, my tears are money, now my
What
contacts
kind of brakes are these?
lifestyle might not make it.
Dude, this
They
is
all
so
love
much
me,
fun!
I know you
No, I
hate
ride a
it.
bike really fast, but I don't do this! That's crazy. Like, you can feel your rears like sliding.
Sliding is kind of sketchy. You can't really correct it. It just does what it's got to do.
You pray for the best.
These transits are though. It's gonna blow up. Like I feel like we're getting towed home. You know this road? I don't.
There's nothing like fighting with death and just embracing it.